Meaning of enlarger.
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 Enlarger. An enlarger is a device used in photography to produce larger prints from film negatives. It works by projecting light through the negative onto light-sensitive paper, which is then developed to produce a final print. The size of the resulting print can be adjusted by moving the enlarger head closer or farther from the paper, allowing for custom sizing and cropping. Enlargers come in various sizes and formats to accommodate different types of film, from 35mm to large format, and can produce high-quality, detailed prints with accurate colors and tones.